Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not new to my channel and you have not liked, commented, or subscribed, then we gonna have a problem. So today is just a little quick unboxing of these Born Pretty polishes. They did reach out to me and asked me if I could review some polishes from their Amazon storefront. What I found out about the storefront, because I mean, you know, I always scroll through it and be like, oh, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice, but they only have polishes. So I wonder if they're gonna actually like start to incorporate a little bit more things like glitters and stuff. I saw on their website they have some reflective glitters, some, I'll say large, like it's not a fine reflective glitter, but it's not like a large. It is a chunky though, but I don't know how you would classify them. So they originally asked me to review some neon ones, and because I have like a whole bunch of neons and I felt like it wasn't the time for neons, even though like personally me, I'll rock neons whenever, but I felt like a lot of people around this time started doing like the pastels because it's Easter, you got spring, light colors, just things to freshen up. It came with 6 of them in the pack, a pink, a cream, a yellow that kind of had a sticker that looked like it was green, but it definitely looks like a yellow to me, a blue-green, lavender, and I think I said all of them. These polishes were really nice. They were nice and pigmented. I did end up going through for 2 coats just because, you know, that's the standard 2 coat, you know, whenever you apply gel or whenever you apply polish, period. So I did do 2 coats, but my favorite ones was the blue one because it reminded me of like a periwinkle. And of course the lavender. I am always on the hunt for purples. I love purple, so those 2 were my favorite ones. That's all that I really have to say about these products. I will leave the price and the link in the description, but other than that, these were really good, and I feel like Born Pretty makes good polishes regardless, but yeah, these ones were nice, especially because they were pastels, and sometimes pastels, depending on where you get them from, sometimes pastels don't show up as pigmented as like we probably feel that they should. So yep, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next one, and y'all can finish watching me swatch. Bye.